This is Bhavika Manchanda. Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Creative Process of Learning French. So in this video, we'll learn some very basic topics. In the previous video, we have learned chapter 1 of class 6 and also some basics which everyone needs to know who is learning French. So here I will just teach you very basic concepts like verbs and articles which we use in frequent language while using French. So let's get started. So this is the first topic of today's class, which is hashtag the articles. And now we learn about different articles which we use in the French language. So first we come to the definite articles. So I'm writing in English right now, then I'll translate into French. Definite articles. Now in French we write le article défini. Now in the definite articles we have two types. First, le and la. La is for masculine. I'm writing all this in English. First, feminine is for la. Then if we have a word which start from a vowel, then we start into L apostrophe. This is for vowels. Now is it visible? Yeah. So this is L apostrophe for vowels. Now I'll give you some basic examples. This is the basic article thing which we learn in class 6 and all the basic things which we have to know very properly. So the examples are as follows. Let me write poem. Now what is poem? It is apple. What is apple? Is it masculine or feminine? It is feminine, because apple, if you just translate in Hindi, it will be like save. And what is save? If you translate in a sentence, it will be used in a feminine version. So we write L-A for poem. Now another example. It is voiture. Voiture is car. In Hindi we call it gadi. So voiture will also get LA because it is feminine. Now another example. It is for sack. What is sack? It is bag. What is the article? LE. So because it is masculine, we will use LE. Le sack. Now for pronunciation, it is le for masculine and la for feminine. Another example we use right now. Yeah. So the example was, it is like stilo. What is stilo? It's a pen. So pen, what does the article will come? Which article will come? Just guess it. Okay, so the answer is LE because it is masculine. So right now I have given you 4 new words for the vocabulary. You can add this in your dictionary of French and then you can learn it frequently. So la pomme, the apple, la voiture, the car, le sac, the bag, le stylo, the pen. So these are the 4 words. Now I'll give you another example, which is horloge. This is a different word because it starts from a vowel. Now why vowel? I'll let you know. Horloge is clock. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U and H. This is a new vowel for French language. So what will come? L apostrophe, as I've told you. L apostrophe. Okay, so this is how we have learned 5 new words. Now some new words, like I'll give you another example of plural version. We have talked about masculine singular, feminine singular, vowel also, the words which start from a vowel, these, but they are singular. Now what about the plural things? So for them we have L E S. This is the word for plural. Example. Wait. So we have a different example of dash. Then we have cahier. The spelling of cahier is Cahier, and cahier means book from which we study. So cahier, book. For cahier we have a word masculine because it is LE, so it is le cahier. But what if in case like we have CAHIERS, then we have books. For that case we have to use LES. Yes, you are correct. LES. This is a word for plural. Now we have different word. Let's take this one. CHAISSE. Now let me check the spelling. Yeah, it is single S and E. Now these type of mistakes can be easily done when you are learning French. Like if you are a new beginner, then the spelling is CHAISE. Learn it properly. Okay. This is again masculine. What is this? Chaise is chair. What if case like it is plural, the chairs, then we write CHAISES, the chairs, and then we have LES. So this is the word for chairs. Now I think you have missed one thing. If you see something very common here over here which I have written, so in this la pomme, la voiture, both the words end from letter E. E. La horloge is also a feminine word and it also ends from letter E. Then I said that chaise, it is also a feminine word, right? Because it is ending from letter E. Most of the cases we find, if you are not able to learn the things, then word which ends with letter E mostly have LA. That means it is la chaise. It is a feminine word. And in plural, both for masculine and feminine, we use only LES. Okay, it doesn't matter the word is a plural or a singular, a masculine or feminine, or it starts from vowel, but in plural we write LES. Okay, so it is lay. Now this is a section for vowels, so I'll just mark it for you, and all the examples can be written down. You may write it simultaneously also if it is convenient for you. Then this is section for vowels. A different thing learned today. This is the article. Let me revise it. Definite articles. Le, article defini. Le for masculine. La for feminine. La apostrophe for vowels, and plural के लिए we write ले. Examples. Now la pomme, la voiture, le sac, le stylo, le horloge. This is again what I have just told you. Feminine word. Yeah. Then le cahier, les cahiers, la chaise, les chaises. It does not matter. It is masculine, feminine, or vowel. Les will only come. So you can note it down. Now we start with the different topic which is under articles, and that is indefinite articles. In French we write the article indefinite. Okay, now why is la written here? Because it is starting from A, which is a vowel again. Now we have different types of things like a, yun. O is for masculine, yun is for feminine. Okay, so one more thing is left over here. Now you must be asking what is for vowels. So right now we have nothing for vowels as such, but yeah, whenever a vowel comes like horloge, that is clock, your vocabulary word, you will just write yun because it is a feminine word. That is why it is very important to know the feminine or masculine version of every single word in French. So if you're standing beside a door, just notice door. Door we call in French porte, and porte is feminine. So oh, it's a feminine word, la porte. You can download different apps or many different things from which you can just translate every English word and convert into French. So let's get started from here. Masculine and feminine. Now examples. First example, again I'll write of let me say door only. Port is yun. Okay, now next word, let me take off a masculine word. So another example is of a crayon. Crayon is normal crayons which we use in coloring. It is masculine. So we'll write a. Now if you're getting all of this very clearly, and if you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment section below. And if you liked all my videos, then subscribe it, like it, and share with all of your friends who want to learn French in a very simple way. So let's get started with our new topic. Now new topic is of this part only, what we call for plural. Now plural is a little different from this. We will write they, which is D-E-N-S for plural. Examples: sack. Sack is bag. It is masculine, but for plural we will write D-E-S. Again, if it is horloge, which is clock, I wrote it in the previous page. So we have to write D-E-S for horloges. And if it horloge, then we'll write yun horloge. Never mind if it starts from a vowel in indefinite article, you just have to write the single thing. Okay, so we are done with this topic. Also in some cases, if you see crayon, then pencil must be written. So 90% cases you will write pencil only, or whenever it is written translate crayon, so you can write pencil for your own benefit. So you may erase this word. Now you can comment down below what is the next topic you want to learn, and I will explain in very easy ways. You may note this down. Now we will learn about the difference between definite and indefinite articles. So as in English you write a, okay, so a and the. So for definite articles we will not write a, but we will write the, because it is a definite thing. Like we will not say a sun, but we will say the sun, and we will say the for a particular person, the proper nouns. So for that we will write definite article. Now for indefinite article we will just write a. Okay, now a and the, and comes in both places. Here also it comes, here also it comes. But in definite articles we will write and replace it by le apostrophe. That is L apostrophe in French, L apostrophe. And indefinite thing, we will not write anything, but we will just use the masculine and feminine version of a and yun. Okay, so now the difference is also clear to all of you. So if in any example we say he is a boy, so he is a is indefinite because boy is a common noun, and he is Sachin Tendulkar. So for Sachin Tendulkar we'll say the, which is LE. You may note this down. So he is a boy. Il est un garçon. It is the Eiffel Tower. Il est la Tour Eiffel. So this is the difference between indefinite article and definite article. You may note this down. Now follow my channel, subscribe it, share with all your friends and relatives so that you can learn, explore and invent different things in French and explore a variety of things which will help you in your future and of course in your life. Stay home and stay safe. Enjoy my all videos in your comfort zone.